Okay, what's up? I have, more updates on my story with my battle with Apple to actually use the photo library the right way. All right, so the moral of the story basically is if you plan on taking a lot of photos with your iPhone, you're going to just want to get it out of the way at the very beginning, buy a Mac Studio. Okay, you have to plan very far ahead in advance. This will alleviate a lot of the problems that you're going to inevitably run into. So my recommendation is do that because all the other situations, all the other solutions aren't actually very, they don't really cover all your bases. So if you're like me and you have 100,000 photos on your phone, if you have an iCloud library, obviously iCloud is great. I love iCloud photos. It is really, really good. The problem is when you use it on your phone, it ends up taking, this was in 2020. It took up a large proportion of my phone storage just to use the cloud photos, which doesn't make that much sense. So if that concerns you, then which it should concern you because if you buy it takes up a big percentage of the phone storage. So it's proportional to how much storage you get. So if you get the max of the max iPhone, my theory or my hypothesis is it will still be taking up a large amount of your phone storage no matter how many photos you do or don't take if you have a large iCloud photo library. So, what's the solution? Well, go spend the $7,000 and get the Mac Studio if you are an iPhone photographer. The next solution is choose between having photos on your phone all the time or going and backing your photos up constantly to an iCloud or to a photo library on your computer that you have multiple copies of. Now, obviously, there's some cons about this, but the major benefit of this is if you have the storage on a computer that's always running, it can index the memories for you. So you're going to have to spend a lot more time interacting with your photos on a bigger screen, which is kind of good actually. It's not a bad way to look at your photos. I enjoy looking at my photos on a bigger screen, coming from someone who usually looks at their photos on the iPhone. So I don't know. Hope this short video helps. This is just an update on my battle with trying to make external hard drives work with a large Apple Photos library, which moral of the story, it doesn't work. It is really good to have an external hard drive though, like the LaCie D2 Professional. I'm loving that thing. So highly recommend checking out the link in the bio or the link in the description, picking one of those up at Amazon or BH Photo Video. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next one.